Okay, I'm going to work out 2 on this slide, and then I'm going to work out 2 on this slide, so they're going to be in the same video, and then you are going to go back and do the 3 here, and then you're going to do the 3 that are here. And you can't see it over here, but there are pieces for you guys to, or there are fractions for you guys to match to each number line over there, okay? So let's look at this one. Name that fraction. Well, first of all, I'm going to start off by figuring out how many pieces or how many spaces are in my number line. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So my denominator is going to be 3, and you just double click and you can type in your denominator. And then my numerator is going to be where the little piece is right here. And in this case, it's our heart, and so it's kind of hard to see, so I'm going to erase it, and I'll jump again. 1, 2. So my numerator is going to be 2 because it represents its 2 spaces out of your 3 spaces. Okay, so let's look at this next one. We have, how many spaces do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so we have 8 spaces. That's going to be my denominator. There are 8 spaces in your whole, and then your numerator is going to be the number of spaces where your piece lands. I'm going to do that in a different color. 1, 2, 3. So your numerator is going to be 3. Double click, and you can write a 3. So the first fraction is 2/3. That's what's being represented on this number line. And the next fraction is 3/8. That's what's being represented on this number line. Okay, let me go to the next slide. This says label the fraction on the number line. Well, this first one, I need to figure out how many spaces are in this number line. 1, 2, 3. So my denominator is going to be 3. And then you're just going to label a fraction on the number line. So which one of these ends with a 3? This one over here. So I'm going to drag this, and 3/3 is the same as 1 whole, because you would have 3 of your 3 pieces being counted. And then this next one, let's count our pieces, our spaces, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So my denominator is going to be 8. So I'm looking for the fraction that has an 8 as a denominator. 5/8 is what's being represented. So I need to count 5/8 on my number line and make sure I put it in the right spot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is where 5/8 is going to go on my number line right there. That would be 5/8. Okay, so you're going to do the rest of these 3, and then you're going to do the last of these 3, the ones that I haven't already done.